Bus to school?
I ride my bike.
What kind of bike do you have? Dang, you got shocks, pegs, lucky.
Check out this new electric bike, boys. The Movcan V40 e-bike. 1500 watt hub. Pretty nice display. Weight's 119. Maximum speed's 35 miles an hour. 20 by 4¼ front and rear tires. And they're more of a street tire. It's got a bright light. Turn signals. And a loud horn. Running light and brake light. 7-speed Shimano. Twist throttle, boys. Logan hydraulic brakes. Rear and front. Hydraulic front forks. No adjustments. Has a shock for rear suspension. Very nice welds. Nice soft seat. And it's a 48 volt 25 amp hour battery. GoPro locked up again, so I gotta do 0 to top speed again. Ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20. 25. 30. 35, boys, and it could do more. It's just locked there. Very good. Just very slight hill, and pull it, brought her down to 34. Now let's hit the sidewalk. Slow her down a bit. Suspension's pretty good. Since my GoPro decided not to work, we use 1 bar at 9 miles. My foot keeps hitting that kickstand. Mostly throttle. Front brakes making a little squeal there. I wonder why. The hub does feel like it's 1500 watts. Suspension's okay. A little stiff, but you can definitely tell it's there. Wow. 12 miles, still only 1 bar battery down. Speed limit's 30, no problem. $14 miles. The heck? Let's see how accurate the speedometer is. A little over 1 mile per hour off. Yeah, about 1.5 mile per hour off. 2 bars down. 18 miles. Should we try to sand with these tires? Sure, why not? It's got the power for it. I think it's that rear shock making that creaking through the whole frame. We'll tighten it up when we get to the house. See. Almost lost her though, boys. So I get for looking down. Woo, that was a close one. Let's get it home and see what that creaking is. Jeez. That thing's got no baffle in it at all. Yeah, these tires aren't for the sand, especially that sugar sand. So I had to loosen that swing arm bolt just a tad. I mean, you got to make sure you don't loosen your swing arm up. But I'm talking just a tad, and it don't creak anymore. So the kickstand has to go behind that bracket. Yeah, I still got to put them nuts on. But the rear hub connector stuck way out. I didn't like it, so I rerouted it. You could leave it there if you'd like, but I rerouted it up on top. That's why my heel was hitting that. One pedal assist is 9 miles an hour. 2 is about 16 miles an hour. 3 is about 22 miles an hour. 4 is about 30 miles an hour. And of course 5, you can do 35. Cruises along 30 effortlessly. Like 3 bars, 25 miles. Pretty good. Of course, when I'm on the throttle, it drops it down to 2 bars. Back up to 3 when I let off. Oh yeah. Let's see if I have cruise. No. Couldn't get cruise to work. Suspension isn't terrible. Not the best, but definitely not the worst. Yeah, a lot better. But I still touch it every once in a while.
I think I am touching it. Get away from him!
The seat's not too bad. It's pretty comfortable. I don't know how to stop that. I adjusted them. They are perfect. Mini golf. Railroad station. It's only 20 through here, boys. Gotta slow it down. Down to 2 bars, 32 miles. That battery's doing really good, especially for going through the sand and all that. Howdy. Put this turn signals on, boys. Left turn, glide. That battery does good. We're only a few miles from the house, and I still got 2 bars, 34 miles. And that squeaking, well, just that swing arm nut was so tight. Let's crank it home, huh? Handles good with these tires. Let's see what our voltage is at. 42. Well, we're floored. Of course, as the battery voltage goes down, so does the speed. But looks like it'll still do 30, 31. on a flat. Does handle pretty good. Sporty. Yeah, as soon as you let off the gas and go a little slower, it comes back up to 2 bars, and I have 37 miles. $39 miles, 1 bar battery, 42.8 volts left in the battery. Accessory box. Well, I wonder what that is. Wow, look at that battery. 2 sets of keys here. One's for the battery. So it looks like on, off, and unlock. Yeah, we'll get this battery out, start charging it. Woo! Good sized battery. Oh yeah, lighten this right up. Hey, another one of those caps. Teetered on our block there. Make sure that spins nice and free. Put our little lock in there. Tighten up these axle nuts. Tire pump. Kickstand we gotta put on. Oh wow. They even give you extra brake pads. Oh, T-handle Allen wrenches. Woohoo! And caps. Get this kickstand on. So the kickstand has to go behind that bracket. Yeah, I still got to put them nuts on. But the rear hub connector stuck way out. I didn't like it, so I rerouted it. You could leave it there if you'd like, but I rerouted it up on top. Inflate to 35 pounds. The charger. Well, it's 54.5 volt, 3 amp charger. 54.6. Plug it in the wall first, boys. There's a capacitor in here. So you want to plug in a wall first so it doesn't have to charge a capacitor back from the battery. The manual. Plug the charger into the outlet, then the charging port. And when she's green, she's charged. Get the pedals on. Righty right hand thread right side. And lefty left hand thread left side. Eight millimeter. These are the end cap for the clamp on handlebars. Line up the arrows and plug it in. That's the only thing you have to plug in on this. Assembling these bikes isn't that difficult, and most of the time, like this one seems to give you all the tools. Yeah, turn signals are done. Looks like a nice LED bright headlight. Let's tighten these clamp-ons down before I forget. Flush here, about like that. There's the keys right there. T-handled wrenches, fancy. Get this front fender on and tightened up, and we are done. Maybe an hour and a half to build, pretty quick. They got all the specs right on the rear fender. One thing I noticed is where they put the headlight here. It's too close to here because this suspension, I compressed it and this is hitting. So I'm gonna raise this up, maybe up to about there. Just loosen them up and slide it up a little bit. That should be good. Let's see.
This is what I do. I sit on you. Sit on you.
It's not fully charged yet, but I want to see if everything turns on. That's off, that's on. The ignition key is a different key. Then we have to figure out where the NFC is. So now this goes here. Pretty nice display. So where does the NFC go? The NFC is if you want to lock it. Right on top, right there. So then when you park it and you lock it, you go into the store, stop at your baby mama's house. When you come back out, even if someone tries to hotwire it, it's locked. So then you put your NFC back up there and it's unlocked. And you can ride back from your baby mama's house. Of course, you can turn it off here too. So somebody would have to pick this lock, pick that lock, or hotwire it. But then they still wouldn't have any luck because it's locked by NFC. Let's see what she does. Pretty quick. Woohoo! Not bad, not bad. Labels that have the covers over them still. Don't forget to take these off, or you can leave them on till they might protect the bike a little bit longer. Save your paint a little bit. Plug her back in and let her charge up and take it for a ride. Pretty cool looking bike.
The next day.
Fully charged. I think I found a good spot for the toolkit. Use some double-sided Velcro. Good enough for now, just in case. Turn the key on. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. If you hit your power button once, it'll show your average speed. Hit it again. Max speed. Double tap the power button. Shows your trip time for the day. Double tap it again. And it goes to your battery voltage. And that's about it. If you hold the up and down, this is the advanced. 01 is for kilometers or miles per hour. Mine's set for miles per hour. 02 is your brightness for your screen. 03 is your factory settings if you want to restore them. 04 is your power gear switch to change the speed level for your power switch. 05 is your speed limit. Wonder why that says 10 kilometers. 06 is your zero start or self start. 07 is your drive mode if you want to power assist with your pedals or just throttle only. 08 is if you want automatic cruise. It's on 0. We'll set that to 1. And that's it. Then you hold the up and down to get out. Hey, what's up, Gizmo? So what's my impressions on this bike? So I think overall, it's a decent bike for the price. A 1500 watt bike with a 25 amp hour 48 volt battery gives you a lot of time to ride. I think it's a good value for the money. There were a couple little issues. They were minor and easy fixes. The odometer is quite a bit off. I'm going to see if they have a fix for that, and I will definitely give you guys another video. But overall, I think it's a decent bike for the price. And if you're interested, I have the links down below. As usual, thanks for watching. That's right.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.